ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್, ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್. ತಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀರಾ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನು ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ differentiation and some problems related to product rule and quotient rule. Now in the present session we are going to see what is the meaning of composite function, derivative of composite function, that is called chain rule, and some problems on chain rule. With this we are going to see some assignment problems. At last we are going to solve some multiple choice questions. Now we have to start with composite function. That is, first you have to understand what is the meaning of composite function. In your previous classes you already have studied about differentiation of a function. In that you have learned what is the meaning of function. Function andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ? What is that function andre? If x and y are two variables, if the value of y depends upon x, then y is called as a what? Function of x. Now let y equal to f of u. What it stands? Y is a function of u. Here u is called independent variable, y is called dependent variable. Andre y ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ? u ಮೇಲೆ dependent ಇದೆ. There is some relation between y and u. That relation is called as what? Function. It is y is a function of u. Equation number 1. If u depends upon x, u depends upon x, that is there is a relation between u and x, then we are going to write u is a function of x. This f is a notation, it not stands for function. F and g are function notation. That is y is a function of u, u is a function of x. Itandre then we are going to call y is a composite function of x. Y is a composite function of x. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಈಸಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ, if you take an example of a factory, factory is a one set factory. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ is a function of product, that is ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Product. That product goes to what? Shop. Product goes to shop. There is a link. Factory, product. That is factory is a function of product. Product is a function of shop. A type idre, then this factory directly if you link with shop, then it is called as like a composite function. It is like a y, f of y, it is u variable, it is x. Y is a function of u, u is a function of x, then y is a composite function of x. Y is a composite function of x. That is, then one can write it as y equal to f of g of x. F of g of x. This is called as y is a composite function. Y is a composite, that is f of g of x. That is actually written as y equal to f composition g of x. Another method, y is a composite function, that is the symbol indicates composition symbol. Y is a equal to f composition g of x, that is y is a composite function of x. Example, if you go for examples, number 1, if y equal to sin u, y equal to sin u and u equal to log x, u equal to log x. If y equal to sin u, u equal to log x, then what are we going to get? Y equal to sin, what is u value is? Log x, log x. This is called as composite function. Here y is a function of u, here u is a function of x, then y equal to sin of log x. Here y is called as a composite function of x. Till in previous sessions you have studied the derivative of only y is a direct function of x. Here y is a composite function of x. Now you have to learn how to find the derivative of composite function. ಏನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈಗ? How to find derivative of composite function. Now ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. How to find the derivative of log x, sin x, cos x, standard function. Now you have to learn how to find the derivative of composite function. Now we are going to see the derivative of composite function by using chain rule. There is a rule to find the derivative of composite function. That rule is called as what? Chain rule. Now derivative of composite function, that is called as chain rule. Now if y equal to f of u, that is y is a function of u and u is a function of x, u is a function of x, then what you are going to write? Y is composite function of x. Y is composite function of x. In this case, the derivative of y with respect to x, the derivative of y with respect to x is written as dy by du into du by dx. dy by du into du by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Now there is a proof for this rule. This rule is called as what? Chain rule. That proof is your beyond curriculum. There is no necessity to learn proof of this rule. Just you have to remember that y is a function of u, u is a function of x, then dy by dx equal to what? Derivative of y with respect to x is derivative of y with respect to u into u with respect to x. If there is a three chain rule, that is if y is a function of u, u is a function of v, v is a function of x, ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dv into d by dx. ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಟೈಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ that is dy by dx equal to dy by du into dv by du by dv into dv by dx. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ? if y is a function of u, u is a function of v, v is a function of x, ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by du into du by dv dv by dx. Now by taking one example you have to understand what is the meaning of this one. Now y equal to sin of log x. I want to find what is the derivative of sin log x. Now you are observing that we learned what is the derivative of sin x, but in place of x what is here? Log x. It is not possible to use sin x derivative formula directly here because it is not sin x, it is sin of log x. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ? y equal to sin u ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. log x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ? u. what is where u is? u is log x. u is log x. Now differentiate separately. What is dy by du? This dy by du stands for derivative of y with respect to u. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೇನಿತ್ತು? with respect to x. with respect to x ಇದ್ದಾಗ dx ಬರುತ್ತೆ, with respect to u ಇದ್ದಾಗ du. if you want to differentiate with respect to t, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ಬರುತ್ತೆ. with respect to ಏನು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that you are going to get here is equal to, you have to use same formula, that is sin x. what is sin x derivative is? Cos x, but sin u derivative is cos u, and you have to remember that if it is u with respect to u, cos u. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ if you are differentiating with respect to x, you are not going to get a cos u. that is different rule. Now what is sin u derivative is? Cos u with respect to u. Now you have to differentiate here with respect to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? differentiating with respect to u. in second term here differentiating with respect to x. What is the du by dx? Du by dx, that is differentiation of u with respect to x. Already you know what is the formula for log x? 1 by x. 1 by x. Now what is the dy by du? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ dy by du ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx equal to, now dy by dx, I want to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx equal to? dy by du into du by dx. What is dy by du? Cos u into du by dx. du by dx is 1 by x. 1 by x. Substitute value for u. Therefore, what is that is? Cos of log x into 1 by x. Cos of log x into 1 by x. Now this is the derivative of composite function y. Y derivative is what? dy by dx. Now in previous session examples you can clearly observe the difference. ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, cos x ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ? sin of log x. You have to take this as u. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಯು ವಿ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದರೆ that problems becomes tedious. Therefore we are going to write directly now. ಅಂದರೆ you have to learn how to use chain rule directly instead of taking u and v. For that we are going to consider some examples. Now to learn composite function derivative, now let us consider some example. For example, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ y equal to sin log x. Now here to make the rule easy to remember, go from left to right terms. First left ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪವರ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ y ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, y ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, that is I am not going to concentrate on next. What it is totally? Sine function. What is sine function? Derivative is cos, that is cos log x. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಸ್. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ? ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಾಸ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by x. 1 by x. Now log x is a standard one, that is it is a function of x. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by root x. ಮುಂದೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. y equal to sin of log root x. log root x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ dy by dx? These are not problems. ಇವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಸೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್. ಕಾಸ್. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಈಸಿ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. Sine derivative is what? Cos log x, log root x. Next, sine ಮುಗೀತೀಗ. If you close sine, what you are saying? That is log root x. In place of x, what is there? Log root x. Now, into differentiation of log root x. What is the log differentiation is? ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, log ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. What is the differentiation of log function? 1 by x. That is 1 divided by x. But in place of x, what is here? Root x. Root x. Now into sin is over, log function is over. ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ? root x. What is that root x differentiation is? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. That root x is a direct function of x. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now this is method to find chain rule from left to right. Now standard formula, if you want to use chain rule, a sin of f of x ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, x ಬದಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, here sin is a function of sin f of x here. ಅವಾಗ what is its derivative is cos f of x into f dash of x. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, sin derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos f of x into f of x differentiation is what, f dash of x. ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೀರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. Now log f of x function, what is log f of x derivative, log, it is like a log x, what is the log x derivative is 1 by x, but in place of x what is here f of x into f dash of x. ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 3 steps. ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ the derivative list by using f of x in place of x. Now y equal to log of sin x, another example, y equal to log of sin x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫಸ್ಟು dy by dx equal to log sin x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ log, you have to write first log derivative. Log derivative is what, dy by dx equal to log derivative is 1 divided by 1 by ಮುಂದೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 1 divided by sin x into 1 divided by sin x into sin x derivative in place of x what is here sin x, what is sin x derivative is cos x, cos x. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ sin 2x ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ದೆನ್ 2x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ another one example with power, cos x power 5, cos x power 5. Now it is like x to the power n formula, x to the power n, but in place of x what is here cos x, you have to use formula for x to the power n. ಅಂದರೆ x to the power n ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ f of x power n, f of x power n. What is dy by dx, what is x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1. n ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 5 cos x power 5 minus 1 that is 4. 5 x to the power 5 minus 1 is 4 into x ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. x ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ cos x, what is cos x derivative is minus sin x. ನಾವು ಈ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆನ್ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಇಫ್ y equal to 2x plus 3 power 5 find dy by dx. y equal to what is there, 2x plus 3 power 5. Now start the solution by taking given function. Solution given, what is given, y equal to 2x plus 3 power 5. Now in your previous session you have seen derivative of x to the power 5, but what is here 2x plus 3 power 5. These type of problems are called, functions are called as chain composite function, and by using chain rule you have to solve the problems. ಅಂದರೆ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು, ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಯು, y equal to u to the power 5. First you have to find out dy by du, then into du by dx. But instead of that I am going to make you perfect with writing the derivative directly using chain rule without using u and v. Now power ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ go from left to right. ಪವರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪವರ್. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ with respect to x. What is y differentiation with respect to x is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to, if you see the right hand side, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು? x to the power n, x to the power n, it is like x power n, x power n. Now treat it as x power n. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು x ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು, ಪವರ್ n. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ x power n derivative? x power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. Now in place of x there is a function, then it becomes f of x power n, f of x power n. ಅವಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? n into f of x power n minus 1 into derivative ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First it is what it becomes 5 2x plus 3 power 4, 5 minus 1, like x to the power n, 5x to the power 4, 5x to the power 4 into in place of x what is here? 2x plus 3. You are right, derivative of 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. First x to the power n form ಇದೆ, that is 5x to the power n minus 1. I am just treating it as x to the power into d by dx of, that is derivative of 2x plus 3. It is like f of x power n, f of x power n, that is 5 into f of x power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x, that is equal to 5 2x plus 3 power 4 into, what is the derivative of 2x plus 3? 2 as it is, x differentiation is what? 1, x derivative is 1 plus 3 differentiation is 0. You are using sum rule, first term derivative plus second term derivative. 2 x derivative is 1 plus 3 derivative is 0. Now if you simplify it, 5 2x plus 3 power 4 into 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2, that is final answer is dy by dx equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 2x plus 3 power 4. It is your first order derivative, that is dy by dx. Now what is given? Y equal to 2x plus 3 power 5, differentiating with respect to x, y differentiation is dy by dx equal to x to the power n formula is there, that is 5 2x plus 3 power 5 minus 1 is what? 4 into derivative of 2x plus 3, that is derivative of 2x plus 3 is what? 2 into 1 plus 0, that is 2 into 1 is what? 2, 2 into 5 10, that is 10 2x plus 3 power 4. Can note down. Next we are moving for problem example number 2. Example 2 is, if y equal to sin cube x, find dy by dx. Y equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? sin cube x, you have to find out dy by dx. That is solution. Consider, that is given, what is given is y equal to sin cube x. Now sin cube x, if you write it as sin x power 3, it becomes easy to differentiate, that is sin x power 3, both are same. Sin cube x can be written as sin x whole to the power 3. Again it is in the form of x to the power n, f of x power n, f of x power n, and you have to use formula like x power n. Now differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is dy by dx. Y differentiation is dy by dx. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು? f of x power n, that is x power n formula. x power n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3x power n minus 1, that is sin x power 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Now f of x power n ಅಂದರೆ not easy to remember. If you remember the formula x power n ಅಂದರೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, like 3x power n minus 1, that is 2. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? sin x. Next into In place of x, what is here? Sin x. Other derivative ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಈಗ. What is sin x? The derivative is cos x. Sin x the derivative is what? Cos x. One step I have written directly. Actually here you have to write d by dx of sin x. But ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ you can skip that step. Not necessary to write derivative of sin x. Actually here you have to write derivative of sin x. But I have written directly what is the derivative of sin x is cos x. That is dy by dx equal to 3 sin x power 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin square x into cos x. It is your answer for dy by dx. That is dy by dx equal to 3 sin square x cos x. First ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು y equal to sin cube x. Sin cube x ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರ sin x whole cube. Differentiating with respect to x. Y differentiation is what? dy by dx. Like that it is like a x to the power n formula. That is 3 into sin x power 3 minus 1 is what? 2 into sin x the derivative is what? Cos x. dy by dx equal to 3 sin square x cos x. Can note the answer. Next we move for example 3. Example 3 is if y equal to root of x cube plus 5, find dy by dx. Solution. Write down given function. What is given is y equal to root of x cube plus 5. Root of x cube plus 5. You have done root x derivative, but in place of x, what is here? X cube plus 5. It is like root of f of x. Root of f of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ derivative ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first treat this as root derivative, then function derivative. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is? dy by dx. Y differentiation is dy by dx equal to root first ಬರುತ್ತೆ root differentiation like root x. What is the root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. But in place of x what is here? X cube plus 5. Actually in chain rule you have to use root f of x formula. But x ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ನಾವು 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ derivative is equal to 1 by 2 root x cube plus 5 into what is the x cube plus 5 is some rule you have to use x cube differentiation plus 5 differentiation. What is x cube differentiation is 3x square. X cube differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x square by using formula x to the power n plus 5 differentiation it is constant 0. 5 differentiation is what? 0. Therefore what is dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 0 is what? 3x square. 3x square into 1 3x square divided by 2 root x cube plus 5. This is your answer, required answer dy by dx. dy by dx. First ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು y equal to root of x cube plus 5 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ differentiating with respect to x. That is dy by dx equal to ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲ ಇದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. what is the root derivative is 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 root x cube plus 5 into that x cube plus 5 derivative. X cube plus 5 derivative first term as it is into derivative of x cube plus 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x cube derivative is 3x square plus 5 derivative is 0. now 3x square plus 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x square into 1 3x square divided by denominator as it is. Okay, note down. Next we move for example number 4. Example 4 is if y equal to cot e to the power x, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. What is given? Y equal to cot e to the power x. Now start solution by taking given function, that is given y equal to cot e to the power x. It is the given function cot e to the power x. Our standard formula is cot x, but in place of x what is here? E to the power x, that is cot f of x. A type is cot f of x means you have to use formula cot first, cot derivative, that is differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. First y differentiation with respect to x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx, that is equal to right hand side first ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cot. What is the cot derivative is? Minus cosec square x, but in place of x what is here? E to the power x. In place of x ಏನಿದೆ? E to the power x. Now cot derivative ಮುಗೀತು ಈಗ. Next ಇದು in x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? E to the power x. You have to write derivative of e to the power x, that is differentiation of e to the power x. First derivative of cot, then a derivative of e to the power x, that is dy by dx is equal to minus cosec square e to the power x into e to the power x derivative of e to the power x, that is e to the power x derivative is e to the power x. dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power x cosec square e to the power x. This is your required dy by dx. Required dy by dx. First to y equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? cot e to the power x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiation is what? dy by dx equal to cot differentiation is what? Minus cosec square e to the power x. Cot differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus cosec square into derivative of e to the power x. What is the derivative of e to the power x is? E to the power x. Then e to the minus e to the power x cosec square e to the power x. You can note down the answer. Next we go to example number 5. Example 5 is find dy by dx if y equal to root x sin x, root of x sin x. Now example 5 is find dy by dx if y equal to root of x sin x. Start solution by taking given function. What is given? Given is y equal to root of x sin x, y equal to root of x sin x. You have to use first root. It is like a root f of x. It is like a root f of x, that is differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is? dy by dx, dy by dx. Y differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx is equal to right hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ first root derivative, ಆ ರೂಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2 root x, that is 1 by 2 root derivative is 1 by 2 root. What is that is? X sin x sin x into x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ? x sin x, derivative of x sin x, derivative of x sin x is equal to 1 by 2 root x sin x into x sin x into derivative of x sin x. You have to use product rule because in between x and sin x what is here? Into. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ sin x as it is derivative of first that is derivative of x is 1. ನೋಡಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ರೂಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 1. now that is dy by dx is equal to 1 into this complete numerator, that is x cos x plus sin x into 1 is sin x, x cos x plus sin x divided by this denominator. What is the denominator is 2 root x sin x. It is your required dy by dx, required dy by dx. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಗಿವನ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/2 ರೂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1/2 ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ derivative, that is to differentiate x sin x you have to use product rule. ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯರ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Next we go for example number 6. Example 6 is if y equal to root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, then find dy by dx. Now solution. What is given? Given y equal to root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Again it is like a root function, but in place of x what it is here 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what is y derivative is dy by dx, y differentiation is a dy by dx. Next that is root differentiation. What is the root differentiation is 1/2 root 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 1/2 ರೂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ divided by 1 minus x, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now simplify it by using derivative, that is first term as it is, that is dy by dx equal to ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟ್ 1 minus x goes to numerator. I will write first root 1 minus x divided by 2 root 1 plus x. Separate ಬರ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 plus x and 1 minus x ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 1 plus x divided by root 1 minus x. ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ರೂಟ್ 1 minus x goes to numerator into here you have to use quotient rule. What the quotient rule is? That is differentiation of, I am writing without using that function. NR means numerator, DR means denominator. ಈ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ quotient rule. First write denominator square. Here denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. If you write first function, second function, it is not suitable. If you remember it as numerator by denominator, easy to remember. Differentiation of numerator divided by denominator is equal to first write divided by right denominator square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೋದು ನೆನಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. First write here denominator, easy to remember also. Denominator square, here denominator into differentiation of what is the remaining one is numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus x, numerator ಅಂದರೆ 1 plus x. ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೊದಲು denominator square. What is that denominator square? 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ denominator as it is, 1 minus x as it is, 1 minus x as it is. Numerator differentiation, what is the numerator is 1 plus x. What is the 1 plus x derivative? 1 derivative is 0 plus x derivative is 1, that is 0 plus 1. Now it is the derivative minus numerator as it is, minus what is numerator? 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Numerator as it is, 1 plus x as it is. Differentiation of denominator, what is the denominator is 1 minus x. What is the derivative of 1 minus x? 1 derivative is 0. What is x derivative is 1. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. Now next is only simplification part, there is no work of differentiation now. Is equal to root of 1 minus x divided by 2 root 1 plus x into first 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, okay, 1 into bracket is bracket 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Now 1 plus x as it is, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, that is plus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. Common student illೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ they will cancel 1 minus x, 1 minus x one term, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪು. 1 minus x, 1 minus x ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. there is a plus, not possible to cancel it. Now is equal to root of 1 minus x divided by 2 root 1 plus x into 1 minus x power 2, 1 minus x power 2. This is, if you remove bracket, 1 minus x plus 1 plus x plus x minus x cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 root 1 plus x into 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Now I have not written here root of 1 minus x. ಈ root of 1 minus x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus x power 1 by 2. ರೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪವರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2. ಆ 1 by 2ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಯ್ದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it becomes 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 minus x 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ by using index rule, plus 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 plus x, 1 minus x power 2 minus 1 by 2, LCM is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, 1 minus x power 3 by 2. This is your required dy by dx, required dy by dx. What is given? Y equal to root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, differentiation, root is 1 by 2 root into differentiation of this term. Here you are using quotient rule. Quotient rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator, minus numerator as it is, the differentiation of denominator, divided by denominator square. If you substitute values, what is the final answer is dy by dx equal to 1 divided by root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x power 3 by 2. You can note down. Next, we go to example number 7. Example 7 is if y equal to root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x, find dy by dx. Now, start the solution by taking given function. Solution given. What is given is y equal to root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. You have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. First ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ root, then quotient rule. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by root differentiation. What is the root differentiation is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root ಏನಿದೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Root like a root differentiation. What is the root differentiation is 1 by 2 root into differentiation of derivative of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. How to differentiate this one? You have to use what? Quotient rule. What is the quotient rule tells? That is differentiation of numerator divided by denominator. Instead of using u by v, it is very easy to remember numerator by denominator. First ಏನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು denominator square. Denominator square ಕೆಳಗಡೆ denominator as it is. Differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is. Differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of denominator. Actually, you have to start from here. But to remember in a easy way, first I am writing denominator square. Denominator ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಯಾವುದು numerator differentiation minus ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. Numerator differentiation into numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Now, that is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to root of ಎರಡು separate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. root 1 plus x, root 1 minus x. This root 1 minus x goes to numerator. Root 1 minus sin x divided by root 1 plus sin x. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ root of 1 plus sin x, root of 1 minus sin x separate ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this root of 1 minus sin x goes to numerator into differentiation by using quotient rule. What is numerator is 1 plus sin x. What is denominator is 1 minus sin x into, first I will write denominator square 1 minus sin x square. Now denominator first ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋಷ್ಟಿಗಿರಲಿ ತೆಳಗಿಂದ denominator square ನೆನಪು ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. therefore first write denominator square. next ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. that is 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x denominator into differentiation of numerator. What is the numerator is 1 plus sin x. What is one derivative is 0. Sin x derivative is cos x. 0 plus cos x. 0 plus cos x. Now I am going to write it directly. That is 0 plus cos x. 0 plus cos x minus numerator as it is 1 plus sin x as it is 1 plus sin x into denominator differentiation. What is the denominator? 1 minus sin x. 0 minus cos x. Sin x derivative is cos x. 0 minus cos x. 0 minus cos x. Now dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus sin x divided by 2 root 1 plus sin x into, that is denominator square, 1 minus sin x whole square. Now 0 plus cos x is cos x. Cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x into 1 is cos x. Cos x into minus sin x minus cos x sin x or sin x cos x. Other first variable. Now 0 minus cos x is what? Minus cos x. Minus into minus plus cos x. Cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x into 1 is cos x. Minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos x into 1 is cos x. Next minus into minus plus, plus into plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos x into sin x. Cos x sin x. Cos x sin x. It is minus cos x sin x. It is plus cos x sin x. Get cancelled. Plus cos x sin x minus cos x sin x is equal to. Now this root of 1 minus sin x is written as 1 minus sin x power 2, and that is 1 divided by 2 root 1 plus sin x into what is remaining is 1 minus sin x whole square. 1 minus sin x whole square. Here I have not written 1 minus sin x term root. What is this root of 1 minus sin x is? 1 minus sin x power 1 by 2. 1 minus sin x power 1 by 2. A 1 by 2 on ಕೆಳಗಡೆ same terms are, these two are same terms. This power 1 by 2 denominator ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it becomes minus 1 by 2. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದರೆ by using index law plus 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2. Cos x plus cos x 2 cos x. Cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x. 2 cancels, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 into cos x is cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x power 3 by 2. Sin x power 3, 1 minus sin x power 3 by 2, because 2 is LCM, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. It is your required dy by dx. Required dy by dx. First ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? y equal to root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Differentiating with respect to x. Y differentiation is a dy by dx equal to root ಇದೆ. What is the root differentiation is? 1 by 2 root into differentiation of x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. This 1 by root as it is, but the root of 1 minus sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Goes to numerator. Here you have to use quotient rule. Quotient rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Here denominator as it is, numerator differentiation, minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ denominator square. This 0 plus cos x is cos x. Cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x into minus sin x. Cos x sin x. That minus into minus plus cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x sin x plus cos x sin x minus cos x sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cancel. That cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? This root of 1 minus sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus sin x power 1 by 2. By using index law, that 1 minus 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2, because bases are same. That 2 minus 1 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. You can note down the answer. Next we are going to problem number, that is example number 8. Example 8 is, if find dy by dx if y equal to sin inverse 3x. Now start the solution by taking given function. What is given? Y equal to sin inverse 3x. Sin inverse 3x. It is sin inverse f of x iddange. Andre you have to use formula sin inverse x derivative. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? Differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. In place of x, what is here? 3x. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to sin inverse differentiation. Sin inverse differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, but in place of x what is here? 3x, that is written as 1 by root of 1 minus x square ಇದೆ. x square ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 3x whole square, 3x whole square into differentiation of 3x, that is derivative of 3x. x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ derivative ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus 3x whole square, what it is? 9x square into 3x derivative. What is 3x derivative is? 3 into 1. 3 as it is, x derivative is 1. What is dy by dx is equal to 1 into 3 is 3 divided by root of 1 minus 9x square. It is your required dy by dx. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮೊದಲು? y equal to sin inverse 3x. Which formula you have to use? Derivative of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Differentiating with respect to x. y differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dy by dx equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus 3x whole square. In place of x ಏನಿದೆ? 3x whole square into derivative of 3x. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ sin inverse differentiation, then into 3x differentiation. Root 1 minus 3x whole square is what? 9x square into 3 as it is, x differentiation is 1. 3 into 1, 3. Denominator as it is. Note down the problem. Next, we move for example number 9. Example 9 is find dy by dx if y equal to root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x. Solution. Given, what is given is y equal to root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x. Now to differentiate it, right, in right hand side there is a product of two functions. You have to use product rule, that is root of 1 minus x square is a first function, sin inverse x is a second function. Product rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? First function as it is, second derivative plus second as it is, first derivative, that is differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What is y differentiation is? dy by dx. Y differentiation is dy by dx is equal to product rule use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ರೂಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ರೂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಗ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಂಟು inside differentiation, that is into what is root differentiation is 1 root differentiation is 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square into, now I am going to write one step directly, into differentiation of 1 minus x square. What is the differentiation of 1 minus x square is? 1 differentiation is 0 minus x square differentiation is 2x. What is 0 minus 2x is minus 2x. You can write 0 minus 2x. Note first function as it is, root of 1 minus x square as it is into derivative of second sin inverse x derivative plus sin inverse x as it is derivative of first root of 1 minus x square derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square difference is 0 minus 2x simplified. Now root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square get cancels, that is 1 plus sin inverse x into 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x. 2 cancels, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus into minus minus x sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. It is your required dy by dx. dy by dx. First you have to use product rule. First function derivative of second plus second as it is the derivative of first, derivative of first ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ chain rule, then simplification. Can note down. Next we are moving for last example, that is example number 10. Example 10 is find dy by dx if y equal to cos cube 4x. Now solution, that is given, what is given, y equal to cos cube 4x, cos cube 4x. Differentiating with respect to x ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ cos cube, I will write it as easy to work out, cos 4x power 3, cos 4x power 3, both are same, that is differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. What is the y differentiation is dy by dx. Right hand side alli it is in the form x to the power n, that is f of x power n. What is x to the power n formula is n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 3 into cos 4x power n minus 1 is what, 2 into derivative of cos 4x, derivative of cos 4x. ನಾವು ಇದು 3 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ cos 4x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ cos derivative, what is cos derivative is minus sin 4x, cos derivative is minus sin 4x ಇದೆ 4x, in place of x what is here 4x into 4x derivative, 4x derivative is 4 into 1. First ನೋಡ್ರಿ power, that is x to the power n format, 3 cos 4x power 2 into cos x derivative is minus sin 4x into 4x derivative is 1, 4x derivative is 1, that is dy by dx equal to plus into minus plus, that is minus 3 into 4 12, 3 into 4 12, cos 4x square, that is cos square 4x into sin 4x. It is your required dy by dx, value of dy by dx. Given is cos cube 4x, differentiating with respect to x, then we are going to get this one. Now next we are going to see some assignment problems. First one, if y equal to x cube x square plus 1 power 6, then find dy by dx. Second one, find dy by dx given that y equal to root of x cube plus 2. Third one, find dy by dx if y equal to 1 divided by 3x plus 4. Fourth one, find dy by dx if y equal to root of a square minus x square. Fifth one, if y equal to root x log x, find dy by dx. Next, sixth one, if y equal to root of 1 plus e to the power x divided by 1 minus e to the power x, then find dy by dx. Seventh one, if y equal to root cos x, then find dy by dx. Eighth one, find dy by dx given that y equal to root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus the root of 1 minus cos x divided by root of that root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Find dy by dx given y equal to secant root x. 10th one, find dy by dx if y equal to cos cube 2x. Next we are going to see some multiple choice questions. First one, the derivative of y equal to sin square x is y equal to sin square x. ಆ sin square x ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು sin x whole square. What is sin x whole square derivative is 2 sin x into sin x derivative ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ sin x whole square derivative is 2 sin x into sin x derivative is what? Cos x. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Is there any option for that? No. But by using multiple angle 2 sin x cos x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ sin 2x. Sin 2x. By using formula sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Therefore, option B is a correct option. Next, second one. If y equal to 3x plus e to the power 3x plus 5, then that is, if you differentiate it, actually it is in the problem with related to exponential, that is e to the power 3x plus 5 difference ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e to the power x format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, e to the power x as it is, e to the power 3x plus 5 as it is, e to the power 3x plus 5 as it is, into 3x plus 5 differentiation 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3x plus 5 differentiation is what? 3. Now that you can replace it by y, 3y. Therefore, option A is a correct option. dy by dx equal to 3y. These are the two multiple choice questions. Next, in this session we have discussed composite function, derivative of composite function, that is chain rule, problems on chain rule. In next session we are going with some more problems on chain rule. Thank you.